In this video we will be replacing the battery from this Saab key fob. The only tools that are needed are a small flathead screwdriver and a toothpick. We will also need a CR1632 battery. I have included a link below for the battery. There is a small hole on the side of the key. Insert a toothpick or a paper clip into the hole to release the clip. The back lid will raise up and can then be removed. Using the flathead screwdriver, remove the battery. The battery is CR1632. There are inscription in the battery compartment and on the back cover specifying the battery type and the orientation of the battery. Get a fresh battery and push it into the slot. The positive side of the battery should be facing up. Next, put the cover back and gently press till the clip locks itself. This is how simple and easy it is to replace the battery on your Saab key fob. Thanks for watching.